yeah.
Oh, yeah. Crab! Oh, it's starfish.
Starfish!
Good morning. So today's the day we're going to Wales. Just making some breakfast now. We're setting off in about half an hour. We'll get some shots of on the way. Kids are eating apples. You excited, kids?
Yeah.
Excited, Saffron?
Yeah.
Smile. Yeah, so we'll get there today, probably go for some dinner, maybe go to the beach before we get in house, and then we'll show you around the house and see what goes on. So we're on the way now, got about 2 hours to go. Kids are eating croissants, baby's crying. Stopped off now for a quick break and a brew. Been to the toilet, 15 minutes away. Go and have a look at house, see if we can get in. If not, we're going to go and get some food. See you when they're there.
Can you?
Right, we've just pulled up now. I'm going to go and get some lunch, have a walk around town. I don't know what time we're going to get in house. We just drove past and it's still full of the last people. So yeah, we'll see what crack is. Albert. Albert.
She's not got a sun hat.
Yeah, bag here. What you do? Clearly arms. We just come down to the beach now before we can go home. What you doing, Arms? Finding what you're finding? What you got? Seashells? Get your shovel. Get your shovel. Yeah. Come back tomorrow at dinner time and do a bit of crabbing down here. See what we can catch.
Move it. Me what? I've got a tub.
Oh. Kids are all crab hunting and sea glass hunting, they're enjoying it. Still waiting to get into the house. Show you what that's like when we get there. I love it round here. We've been here like 3 years now, I think. It's brilliant. So relaxing. Right, so we've landed at the house, but cleaners are still in. I think the other tenants come out late. That's the view. I'm just round back playing at the minute. Show you in house when we get there. Massive. It goes in there. Of course. Go over. Yes. Oh good. Set me up then. Gonna do it again. You throw it up to me and Daddy hit it over.
Yeah?
Yeah? Where's the other ball?
I'll do it.
Do the ball's on that thing over there.
Down that patio set.
One bedroom there, one bathroom, with a bath, shower, house, another bathroom, another bedroom, we sit down in the room, lovely. House, another lounge, egg chair. Got that there. That's all the garden, that's the garden again. Kitchen again. That'll be into a playroom for the kids. Abby's we. Our bedroom.
No, you've got stuff in it. There's only one there.
So we walked about down to the beach now. We're gonna do some crab hunting. Tide's gone out, we're in low tide now. See if we can see any jellyfish. Is there actually a jellyfish?
Jellyfish there, look there. Down it's dead. Look. I know.
Jellyfish there. Sea snail. Albie, there's another snail here. It's got a snail in it.
Oh, look at this one. Molly, I've got loads. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at the.
Ready?
Where?
Molly, look at this one. Molly, look. I've got two.
Get it in there.
What are you going to do with the baby crabs?
Here. House, two. Molly, got a crab.
See? Oh my god.
Yeah, there's another one there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You can't see it, it'll go on mist.
Oh, don't. Just do it carefully.
Should we check that big one?
Some little crabs so far. Mrs. is looking for sea glass.
Starfish!
Where?
Starfish! Pick it up!
Don't pick it up yet.
Crab! Crab! Oh, it's starfish.
Starfish!
Whoa, the waves are getting us. Right, that's me done now. We had a good day on Giant Beach. I'm just getting packed in. That's my view for the night. Time to edit some videos. Good night, and I'll see you next time.